To obtain a Florida Master Electrician license, there are several requirements to meet. Firstly, it's essential to hold a valid Florida Electrician's Journeyman license for at least 2 years. Secondly, you must successfully pass the Florida Electrical Contractor Master License exam. Thirdly, providing proof of financial responsibility, business organization, and insurance is necessary. Finally, you'll need to submit letters of reference from 4 licensed electrical contractors. For the state exam, the following books are required: NFPA 70 National Electrical Code, or NEC, Florida Electrical Statutes and Administrative Code, and Florida Building Code. It is important to note that Tom Henry's Keyword Index is not allowed for use during the Florida Electrical Contractor Master License exam. Regarding reciprocity with Georgia, Florida and Georgia do not have a formal reciprocity agreement for electrical contractor licenses. However, your Georgia Journeyman's license may be considered as evidence of experience and qualifications. Collier County does not have its own electrical contractor licensing requirements. Electrical contractors working in Collier County are required to obtain a license from the state of Florida. Here is some advice to help with this process. Firstly, contact the Florida Construction Licensing Board for the Master Electrician License application and exam information. Secondly, thoroughly review the NEC Florida Electrical Statutes and Florida Building Code. Thirdly, obtain letters of reference from licensed electrical contractors who can vouch for your knowledge and experience. Fourthly, consider enrolling in a preparation course or utilizing online resources to aid in passing the exam. The Florida Electrical Contractor Master License exam is a challenging assessment, so it's important to begin preparing well in advance. The NEC is a comprehensive document that outlines the standards for safe electrical installations. It covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Familiarizing yourself with the NEC is crucial for passing the exam and for ensuring safe electrical work practices. The Florida Electrical Statutes and Administrative Code contain the laws and regulations that govern the electrical industry in Florida. These statutes cover licensing requirements, permitting procedures, and inspection processes. Understanding these regulations is essential for compliance and for operating legally as an electrical contractor in Florida. The Florida Building Code establishes the minimum requirements for the design and construction of buildings in Florida. It includes provisions for electrical systems such as wiring, lighting, and equipment. Knowledge of the Florida Building Code is important for ensuring that electrical installations meet safety and performance standards. When preparing for the exam, it is helpful to create a study plan and allocate sufficient time for each topic. Practice questions and sample exams can help you assess your knowledge and identify areas where you need to improve. Consider joining a study group or seeking guidance from experienced electricians. The letters of reference from licensed electrical contractors should highlight your skills, experience, and work ethic. Choose contractors who have worked closely with you and can provide specific examples of your accomplishments. The letter should be well written and demonstrate your qualifications for the Master Electrician license. Financial responsibility is an important aspect of being a licensed electrical contractor. You will need to demonstrate that you have the financial resources to operate a business and meet your obligations. This may involve providing proof of insurance, bonding, and financial statements. Business organization refers to the legal structure of your electrical contracting business. You will need to choose a business entity, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, and comply with the relevant registration requirements. Insurance is essential for protecting your business from liability and financial losses. You will need to obtain general liability insurance, workers' compensation insurance, and other types of coverages required by law. Passing the Florida Electrical Contractor Master License exam requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and preparation. By studying the relevant codes and regulations, gaining practical experience, and seeking guidance from experienced professionals, you can increase your chances of success. Remember to stay up to date with the latest changes in the electrical industry and to continuously improve your skills and knowledge. This will not only help you pass the exam but also ensure that you provide safe and reliable electrical services to your clients. Electrical safety is of paramount importance in all electrical work. It is essential to follow the NEC and other applicable codes and standards to prevent electrical shocks, fires, and other hazards. Always use appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, safety glasses, and insulated tools. Never work on energized circuits unless absolutely necessary, and always de-energize circuits before performing any work. Grounding is a critical aspect of electrical safety. It provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source, which helps to trip circuit breakers and prevent electrical shocks. Ensure that all electrical equipment and systems are properly grounded in accordance with the NEC. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. These devices should be properly sized and installed to prevent damage to equipment and wiring. Wiring methods refer to the techniques and materials used to install electrical wiring. The NEC specifies the acceptable wiring methods for different applications. Ensure that you use the correct wiring methods for the specific installation and that all wiring is properly supported and protected. Electrical equipment must be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and the NEC. This includes ensuring that the equipment is properly rated for the voltage and current requirements of the circuit and that it is protected from environmental factors such as moisture and dust. Electrical inspections are conducted by qualified inspectors to ensure that electrical installations comply with the NEC and other applicable codes and standards. These inspections help to identify potential hazards and ensure that electrical systems are safe and reliable. Continuing education is essential for staying up to date with the latest changes in the electrical industry. Attend seminars, workshops, and training courses to improve your skills and knowledge. Consider obtaining certifications in specialized areas of electrical work, such as renewable energy or industrial controls. Professionalism is important in all aspects of electrical work. Treat your clients with respect, communicate effectively, and provide high-quality services. Maintain a professional appearance and adhere to ethical standards. Networking with other electricians and industry professionals can provide valuable opportunities for learning, collaboration, and business development. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and participate in online forums and communities. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and regulations being introduced regularly. Stay informed about these changes and adapt your practices accordingly. This will help you remain competitive and provide the best possible service to your clients. Building relationships with suppliers and vendors can provide access to valuable resources such as technical support, product information, and competitive pricing. Treat your suppliers and vendors as partners and work together to achieve mutual success. Safety should always be your top priority in electrical work. Never compromise safety for the sake of speed or convenience. Follow all applicable codes and standards, use appropriate personal protective equipment, and take the time to do the job right. By following these guidelines, you can increase your chances of obtaining a Florida Master Electrician license and building a successful career in the electrical industry. Remember to stay focused, work hard, and never stop learning. The electrical field offers many opportunities for growth and advancement, and with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your goals. Good luck with your journey to becoming a licensed master electrician in Florida. Remember that this license allows you to work independently as an electrical contractor, supervise other electricians, and design electrical systems. It is a significant step in your career and will open doors to new opportunities. As a licensed master electrician, you will have the responsibility of ensuring that all electrical work is performed safely and in accordance with the applicable codes and standards. You will also be responsible for managing your business, including obtaining permits, hiring employees, and managing finances. The electrical industry is a vital part of the economy, and licensed electricians play a crucial role in ensuring that homes, businesses, and infrastructure are powered safely and reliably. By becoming a licensed master electrician, you will be contributing to the well-being of your community and making a positive impact on people's lives. The rewards of being a licensed master electrician can be both financial and personal. You will have the opportunity to earn a good living, work independently, and take pride in your work. You will also have the satisfaction of knowing that you are making a difference in the world. So, if you are serious about becoming a licensed master electrician in Florida, start preparing now. Follow the steps outlined above, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. The future is bright for those who are willing to put in the effort and dedication required to succeed in this challenging and rewarding profession. Remember, the journey to becoming a licensed master electrician may be long and difficult, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Stay focused on your goals, stay positive, and never stop learning. With hard work and determination, you can achieve your dreams and build a successful career in the electrical industry. Finally, as a licensed master electrician, it's essential to uphold ethical standards and conduct business with integrity. This includes being honest and transparent with your clients, providing fair pricing, and honoring your commitments. Building a reputation for honesty and integrity is crucial for long-term success in the electrical industry. Always strive to provide the best possible service to your clients and to treat them with respect and professionalism. This will help you build lasting relationships and earn their trust. Furthermore, it's important to stay informed about the latest changes in the electrical industry and to continuously improve your skills and knowledge. Attend industry events, read trade publications, and participate in online forums and communities. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and provide your clients with the most up-to-date and innovative solutions. Remember that being a licensed master electrician is not just a job, it's a profession. It requires a high level of skill, knowledge, and dedication. By upholding ethical standards, providing excellent service, and staying informed about the latest industry trends, you can build a successful and rewarding career as a licensed master electrician in Florida.